Hello all! Today's menu is going to be two incredibly easy sauces that takes less than 30 minutes to prepare. They are amazing on pasta, lasagna, noodles, sandwiches and many other food and snack recipes. They are marinara sauce and white sauce. Marinara sauce just needs 8 basic pantry ingredients: salt, red chili powder, oregano, olive oil, tomatoes, 5 medium or 4 large, basil leaves, garlic and half an onion, and of course some water. To speed up the process, I'm going to pressure cook my tomatoes with little gashes on top. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes or until the first whistle. These tomatoes are really hot, so be careful and let them cool completely before you peel and chop them. Add oil to the large skillet on a medium heat. When the oil is heated enough, add minced garlic and saute for a minute. To this, add diced onion and fry until they start to change the color. Now add half of our tomato chunks and give it a good mix. Marinara sauce is just the tomato sauce without the herbs, so let's add our basil, salt, oregano and a bit chili powder for a little kick. Give it a mix and blend it into fine paste. I like the marinara sauce to be a bit chunky, so I'm adding remaining tomato chunks to the blended sauce. If you want your sauce smooth, no need to set any chunks aside. Just blend everything in one go. Add a bit of water to get the consistency you like and mix until everything is well combined. That's our marinara sauce, and now let's move on to the white sauce. In a medium saucepan, melt butter over low heat. Now add garlic and all-purpose flour and stir the mixture to form a thick paste. Gradually add the milk, stirring continuously. Remember to do it very slowly as it forms lumps when added all at once. Add a bit of salt and stir continuously until everything combines and starts to bubble. Turn off the stove and use this super simple sauce to delight your recipes.